Welcome to this old Portland-style arts and crafts home. It's close in to downtown Portland, situated in Ladd's Addition Historic District, near shopping, cafes, and restaurants. A pressed stone porch with concrete columns invites you to this beautifully appointed home. You'll discover many original features including solid wood mahogany paneling, period windows, hardwood floors, exposed wooden beams, and 2 wood-burning fireplaces. A solid wood pocket door between the living and dining rooms offers flexibility for an open or more private space. The thoughtfully remodeled kitchen retains its original character and includes a Viking gas range, a farmhouse sink, recessed lighting, and wooden cabinets. On the upper level, you'll find 3 large bedrooms in this home of more than 3,500 square feet, plus a private balcony. On the top level, you'll find another flexible space for any number of uses. The large fenced backyard has plenty of room for your garden. A charming home with timeless appeal. It's here on Maple Avenue, and it's ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Tom Cardelli at 503-519-3702. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.